Hi guys! Do you remember my friend Tom? Hello! Say hello! Now, Tom likes to tell me things into my ear. Remember that? Today, he has brought lots of things and he wants to play a game with you. So let's see all those things that he brought with him, okay? The first one is, what is that? Fish. It's a fish. You like that, Tom, don't you? Yeah. What's that, Tom? It's a book. Book. Okay, Tom. A book. All right. Next thing we've got is, let us see, what is that, Tom? It's a sock. Okay. The next one is, it's a cow. Can you say cow? Good job. Next, it's a bird. It's a bird. Can you say that word? Good. Another thing, it's a bus. A bus. Very interesting, Tom. Yeah. Another one is a pen. A pen. Wow, we've got loads of things. And we've got a leaf. Leaf. Can you say that word? Leaf. Good job. Tom, I'm really excited. Are you? What's that, guys? It's a heart. Heart. And this one, Tom? Are you gonna bring it as well? Okay. I'm gonna push it. Look at that, guys. It's a boat. Boat. Wow, it's a very big boat, Tom. Okay, guys. Since we know all the words here, we're going to play a game with Tom. Are you ready? Steady. Let's play. Okay, Tom is going to tell me something into my ear, and we have to guess what thing is he going to take away with him, okay? So the first one is, okay, listen. B-oak. 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 Book. It's a, that's right, it's a book. It's a book, guys. Well done, Tom. 1 point for you. Here you are, your book. Bye-bye. The next word is ish. Say it again. Ish. Ish. What could that be, guys? Ish. That's right, it's a fish. Fish. Good job. Excellent. Okay, next one is, are you ready, Dom? Okay. B-us. What could that be, guys? B-us. B-us. Bus. It's a bus. Good job. A bus. Another one. Ooh. L-E-F. L-E-F. What could that be, guys? L-E-F. Leaf. Leaf. It's a leaf. Okay, Tom. Leaf. Good job. Another one. I think I'm gonna guess what it is. Let me see. No, I haven't guessed. It's a sock. Sock. What is that, guys? Sock. 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 It's a sock. Wow, it's a very long sock, Tom. All right, guys, next one. Let's hear. Oh, bird. 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 What could that be? Bird. 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 It's a bird, isn't it? Yay! It is a bird, What's that, guys? And say it with me. And pen. It's a pen. It's a pen. Bravo. Good job. Next one is a boat. Boat. What could that be, guys? Boat. Is that a boat? Is this a boat? Well, is this a boat? Yay! It's a boat. Good job. Now we've got two left. We've got a heart and a cow. Are you ready? Listen. Ow, ow, cow. It's a, that's right, it's a cow. Good job, guys. And the last but not least, help me out. What could that be, Tom? T. Say it with me and Tom. T. T. Heart. Good job, guys. Tom is very happy you played the game really well. Now it's your turn to find some things in your house and try to say them the way that Tom says it, okay? Good luck, guys. Say goodbye to Tom. Goodbye.